Source: Nick Sutrich, Android Central. What you need to know. The v37 update for Quest 2 and other Quest virtual reality headsets is rolling out to users beginning today with new features focusing on more or easier methods of working with in VR. The first big feature is Quest 2 support for Apple's Magic Keyboard. Now users can pair the keyboard to their headset and see a 3D model of the keyboard in your hands while in home. It can be paired through the experimental features panel in settings, and hand tracking will also need to be enabled to work. Developers will be able to add Apple Magic Keyboard and Logitech's K830 keyboard, which has been usable in home since the v28 update last year, support to their own apps sometime next week, according to the announcement. Oppo Find X5 Pro leaks specs, camera, battery, more. Oppo's next flagship phone is coming soon, and it shares a lot in common with the OnePlus 10 Pro. 0 seconds of 59 seconds, volume 0%. Sponsored links. RxES Clins and Shayan Thalwam Saks Ad Fun Sudkum Fiang 79. Roy's Fun Saks Ad Kwam Suk Tichung RxES. Sucks Lay. Another feature added in the update is being able to resize 2D windows within home. There are now 2 display options for viewing windows with tablet in. Desktop modes. Tablet mode shows a single, close-up window, while desktop mode is what it normally is with larger windows that are further away and supports. All windows, including the store and library, will open in the selected option but can be switched at any time through the little gray line underneath the panels. Meta CEO Mark Zuckerberg showed off the new feature below. The v37 update also introduces several smaller features such as a hand tracking gesture for the quick action menu by holding your hand palm up and make a pinching motion, a redesigned Explore page when first booting up, and being able to share website links between a smartphone and the headset through the Oculus mobile app. The latter option is only available for Android devices as of the update but will be coming to iOS in the future. Metaquest 2. The Quest 2 offers increased power, resolution, and flexibility over the original virtual headset. It is a complete, all-in-one headset. It does not need to be tethered to a PC or smartphone in order to work. We may earn a commission for purchases using our links. Learn more. Fortnite Crossover. When Battle Royales all became Fortnite and we didn't notice. It makes sense that games are copying the Fortnite model of free-to-play progression and crossover events, but it's making a lot of impressive games look. From the editor's desk. The Microsoft Activision acquisition targets Google and Meta more than Sony. Activision Blizzard games will help Microsoft sell more consoles, but the company already has its sights turned towards its next major tech confrontation against VR, AR companies. And it's no assurance that the Activision deal will help them win. Check your corners. Review. Rainbow Six Extraction offers action with diminishing returns. Rainbow Six Extraction launches on Stadia with heart-pumping action that supports up to 3 players cooperatively across other versions on PC and consoles. However, it doesn't have enough to sustain replayability. Time to get sweaty. These Oculus Quest 2 workout accessories will keep it clean and you healthy. More and more Quest 2 owners are using their headsets as an alternative to the gym. If you want to join them, make sure you have the tools you need to keep your Quest 2 clean between workouts. It'll make those intense Beat Saber or Supernatural workouts that much more effective.